let's look at how you can lodge a complaint. So let's say you entered the system and they are telling you are supposed to serve for 5 years, and yes, you've served for 6 years, but you are not able to select the program that is there, which you ideally are supposed to have been able to select. What do you have to do? What you need to do is to come here. You just scroll down here and you see we have complaints app. So you tap on the complaints app. When you tap on the complaints app, it loads and brings you here. Here we have 3 options. So we have click to watch tutorial videos. You can watch the videos. It's a guide on how you can go around it. And if you have to just put the complaint, just click here. Just click on it. Then they ask for your staff ID. So you just tap there. You put in your staff ID here. After putting your staff ID, you tap on proceed. It loads and brings you here. So here you have your contact, your email. So you click here. So kindly select what best describe your complaint. So just click here. Then here we have login access. So let's say if you've forgotten your password and you are not able to log in, right? You're not able to log in. This is what you do. You just select this. Then you come here and explain what the problem is. So because let's say you've forgotten your password or you've not been able, you can't log, you don't know what the problem is coming from. You just write please, I am not able to log in. I think so. Don't even write I think, just say I'm not able to log in when I enter my password and email. Then here you put in the email. If it is at gmail.com, you put it and you put in the password you think that is the right password, and the password if the password is then you explain. It tells me my details are incorrect, or my password is incorrect, or my details cannot be found. Explain in detail. Okay, so if you are sure it's about your password, just tell them I've forgotten my password, please help me recover it. Okay, after doing that, you click on submit. When you click on submit it, you go to them, they'll reply, they'll look at it, and if it's about password, they will change the password for you and they'll send you a new password. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can open the complaints and then see the feedback they've given you, right? So if it's about password, I'm sure I'll get an example where they change the password and then you see how it is. So after clicking submit, you wait. Sometimes it can take about 24 hours before they reply to you. Sometimes within 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, but I keep telling you, if you give the complaints, don't repeat it, just relax, wait, they'll attend to you. It's people, they are humans. Okay, and sometimes they also have to close. So assuming you are lodging the complaints around 1, Ghana Health Service administrative services, they don't work 24/7, at least for now. If that will be coming in the near future, fine, but as it stands now, it is not 24 hours. Okay, so they work within the working day, the working period, and they will close, and then they'll kind of attend to you when another day break. So that is it.